Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V40 SE, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on reset options, and as you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it, and your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so among others Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Let's tap on reset settings. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it because you cannot undo this action, so let's tap on reset settings, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.